how to redeem an eBay gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem an eBay gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem an eBay gift card, all you have to do is just go to ebay.com and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into the account, and first of all you just have to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. So let me go ahead and shop for a specific product here. I'll just go ahead and select a couple of products from the list. Once I go ahead and select a specific product over here, so let me go ahead and do this. I'll add the product to my cart, and once I add the product to my cart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the checkout page by clicking this checkout option over here. Once I click the checkout button over here, it will ask me to simply enter my shipping details and so on, right? So once you've entered that, if you scroll down over here under it, you'll be able to find this option called gift card, coupons and eBay bucks. So all you have to do is make sure to enter your gift card code, click the apply button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, you're going to get that much discount while you're purchasing the product. So if it's a $500 gift card, you'll get $500 discount. If this product is worth $506 and $6, you have to add it from some other card details. Hope this video is very helpful as to how you can redeem your eBay gift card. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.